In this video, I will be showing you how to see keyboard shortcuts on YouTube. Let's get started. First, I open my web browser and navigate to the search bar. I type YouTube into the address bar and press enter to search for the site. Once the search results load, I click on the official YouTube link to open the homepage. Now that YouTube is loaded, I scroll through the feed and select a video to watch by clicking on its thumbnail. The video opens and starts playing, but an ad appears first. I wait a few seconds until the skip option becomes available, then I click skip to proceed to the main video content. As the video plays, I decide to check out the available keyboard shortcuts to help control playback more easily. To do this, I move my cursor over to the video settings gear icon near the bottom right of the player and click it to open the menu. In the menu pop-up, I click on the keyboard shortcuts option. A complete list of YouTube keyboard shortcuts instantly pops up on the screen, organized into helpful categories like playback, general, subtitles and closed captions, and spherical videos. I can scroll through the list to review controls for toggling play or pause, fast forwarding, adjusting volume, switching to full screen, and navigating chapters. Once I have reviewed the shortcuts, I move my mouse down to the bottom right of the overlay and click dismiss to close the window and resume enjoying the video. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.